Jai Shri Gurudev. In last class we already discussed about the exercise 4.1 some problems. Okay, the remaining problems we have to see. This is the next problem. Question number 7, first question. Find the values of the x of the following problems. Let us take the determinant. 2, 4, 5, 1 is equals to determinant of 2x, 4, 6x. 2 by 2 determinant. Have to find the x value. Okay. So this is not a matrix. This is a determinant. First you have to calculate determinant, then you have to simplify. Don't directly, you should not directly. Direct again, you should not do like that. Okay. See. How to calculate the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix? See. 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is equals to what? 2. Okay. Minus 4 5 are 20 is equals to 2x into x is what? 2x square minus 6 4 are 24. Okay na? Like that. First you have to simplify first. Next I have to calculate. Okay. 2 minus 20 minus 18 minus 24 will becomes what? Plus 24. Yeah. Is equals to 2x square. Okay. So therefore 2x square is equals to 24 minus 18 6. So therefore x square is equals to 6 by 2. 6 by 2. X square is equals to 6 by 2. So therefore x square is equals to what? X square is equals to 2 3s are 6. X is equals to plus or minus 3. Plus or minus 3. Like that we have to evaluate. See, like x is equals to plus or minus 3. Like that we have to simplify. My dear student, very important question. This type of problems. Four problems are there. Okay, very important. Okay. See, we will see some other also. See, next question. We had to find the x value here. Determinant is given 2, 3, 4, 5 is equals to x3 to x5. Okay, now how to do this one? See, 2 5s are what? 2 5s are 10 minus 3 4s are. See, 2 5s are 10, 4 3s are 12 minus 12 is equals to. Okay, x into 5, 5x minus 3 into 2x, 6x. Okay, 10 minus 12, 10 minus 12 is equals to minus 2, 5x minus 6x minus x, 5x minus 6 is equals to minus x. So minus cancel, x is equals to what? X is equals to 2. X is equals to 2. Like that you have to simplify. This is also one of the important question. See, next problem. What is the next problem? X, determinant of x to 18x is equals to 6 to 18 6. Okay na? So how to calculate the x value? See, first you have to calculate the determinant value. X into x square minus x into x square minus 18 2 36 is equals to 6 6 36 minus 18 2 36. Okay, 36 cancel 0. So therefore x square minus 36 is equals to what? 0. X square minus 36 is equals to 0. So x square is equals to what? 36. X square is equals to 36. X is equals to plus or minus root 36 is equals to 6. Root 36 is what? 6. So x is equals to plus or minus 6. Understood or not? Like that we have to simplify. Okay. And another problem is there. So this type of problems are very important. Okay, for the main examination. So next problem. Determinant of 3x x1 is equals to 3 to 4 1. Okay. How to calculate the x value? 3 into 1 is what? 3 minus x into x square is equals to 3 into 1 3 4 2s are 8 4 to the 8. So 3 minus x square is equals to what? 3 minus 5. Okay. Minus x square is equals to minus 5 minus 3. Minus 5 minus 3. So minus x square is equals to what? Minus 8. X square is equals to what? Minus minus cancel. X square is equals to 8. You can directly write also. 3 cancel, x square minus 8. Like that also you can write. That is also one of the easiest problems. This is somewhat difficult. 3 here 3 cancel. 3 outside other minus 3 cancel agata. So minus x square is equals to minus x minus 8. X square is equals to 8. X square is equals to 8. So therefore x is equals to what? Plus or minus root 8. Plus or minus root 8. Plus or minus root 8. Okay na? Plus or minus root 8. Root 8 can be written as how much? X is equals to plus or minus 2. Plus or minus 2 root 2 we can write. Okay, like that you have to simplify. This is example 5. These 4 problems are very very important for the main examination. Okay. See, sixth problem. Already given this one as a homework. Okay, I will do another time. So if you have any doubt, some other students facing some difficulty in finding 3 by 3 matrix. That's why I am making another revision for 3 by 3 matrix. Please go through this one. See, A is equal to 1 1 minus 2, 2 1 minus 3, 5 4 minus 9. You have to calculate the determinant. You have to calculate the determinant of this matrix. Det A you have to calculate. Det A. Det A is equal to, okay, write down this one. 1 1 minus 2, 2 1 minus 3, 5 4 minus 9. Okay na? 5 4 minus 9. Okay. What is the procedure? You can calculate, already told in previous videos. Okay, already classes. You can calculate a determinant in 6 ways. Along first row, along second row, along third row, along first column, along second column, along third column. We can calculate the determinant by using the 6 ways. 6 ways now calculate one. Okay na? So which one is more comfortable? Already done so many problems related to first row. No, first row is now ಮಾಡೋದಿಗೆ ಅಂತ. Okay. So 1 in fix first row. This one fix first row. 1 1 minus 2. 1 into 1 lies in first row and first column. Okay. That's why you eliminate that first row and first column. So remaining had to write in a 2 by 2 determinant. So 1 minus 3, 4 minus 9. Okay. 1 minus 3, 4 minus 9. Next, second element you have to write. For second element, first row you have to take minus now. That's why minus 1. 1 is there, you are taking formula minus. Okay. Next, see. This one is lies where? It lies in first row and second column. Eliminate first row and second column. Remaining element should be considered in a 2 by 2 determinant. So 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3, 5 minus 9. Okay na? Like that you have to write. And what is the last element? Minus 2. Minus 2 write down. Minus 2 write down same. Minus 2 into. Okay. 2 by 2. So minus 2 lies in first row and third column. So therefore remaining elements framed in as a 2 by 2 determinant. So 2 1 5 4. 2 1 5 4. 2 1 5 4. Okay na? Like that we have to simplify. Okay. Is equals to 1 into minus 9. 1 into minus 9. Minus 9. 4 3s are minus 12. Minus is there. Minus of minus 12. Okay. This one. Okay. Next. Another one. Minus 1 into. Okay. 2 into minus 9. minus 18, okay, minus, okay, 5 3 are 15, minus 15, so minus 15, okay, like that we have to simplify. Next another is there once again. See this one over now. Next we'll see this one. Minus 2 into 2 4s are 8 minus 5 on the 5. Simplify this one. Minus 9 minus of minus 12 plus 12 plus 12 minus 9 plus 12 minus 1 into minus 18 plus 15 minus 18 plus 15, okay, minus 2 into 8 minus 5 3, 8 minus 5 3. Next minus 9 plus 12 minus 9 plus 12 3, this is 3, minus 1 into minus 18 plus 15 minus 8 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 plus 3 plus 3, okay, 2 3s are 6 minus 6, so therefore 3 plus 6 6 minus 6 is equals to 0, okay na? This is the answer. Let us check the answer. See, like that we have to simplify the 3 by 3 determinant, okay. My dear students, go through this one. This is very very important. If you know 3 by 3 determinant means, it will be more helpful throughout this chapter, okay. This chapter ella idu use agtane. So if you have any doubt, you can ask and you can comment in this below video, and you have to share and subscribe to my channel, okay. My dear students, I will do some other also. I will do some 3-4 questions. See, check once again. See, I will tell one CET technique for you, okay. My dear students, see, these two problems already done in previous video. Let us check that. A is equals to 1 to 4 to already proved det 2a is equals to 4 into det a. They will ask directly det 2a is equals to what? 4 into det. How it will come means, what is this? This one is what? This is 2 by 2 determinant. What is this one? 2 by 2 determinant. 2 by 2. Order 2 determinant is there. That's why I had to order 2 determinant. No, one formula is there. Det Ka is equals to det Ka is equals to K to the power of n into det K. This is the formula. What is n, sir? So n is the order of that matrix. Okay. What is this order? Order 2. That's why here 2 no 2 4 over n. 4 over n means what? Order 2. 2 square into det. 2 square is what? 2 square. Like that you can directly write. This is very very powerful formula. K is constant. K into a. Det Ka is equals to K power n into det a. Write down this formula. N is the order of the given matrix. Okay. So here you can check here also. Already done this problem. So this is very very important for the CET. Important. See, what is the order for this matrix? This is 3 by 3 matrix to order 3. Okay. So det 3a. Det 3a is equals to what? Det 3a is equals to 3 power. What is order? 3. 3 power 3 into det a. So therefore 3 power 3. 3 into 3 into 3. What is it? 2700. Already cut now. So already done also. So I will give you another formula also. Okay. One matrix is related to 3 by 3 only. Okay. Det 4a. What is that? Det 4a. Det 4a is, tell me. So 4 to the power of what? What is order? 3. 4 to the power of 3 into det a. Like that. You have to simplify 4 cube. 4 into 4 into 4. 64. 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 4 is 64 into det a. Like that you have to simplify. My dear students, this is very very important for the CET examination. That is the formula. Tell me once again. Det Ka is equals to what? Det Ka is equals to K power n into det a. Okay. So have to analyze this also. Okay. So if you use Markov, it will be very useful. Okay. So my dear students, properties of determinants. Next properties of determinants already that video posted, properties of determinants video already post ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ now only. Okay, next class I will. Okay, properties of determinants ಅನ್ನೋದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ask the doubts also. Properties of determinants, total 6 properties are there. Okay, if you know that properties means 4.2 exercise will be very easy. Okay, that's why my dear students, go through that video and learn the properties of determinants. Other time I will post to your WhatsApp group. Please go through that one. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt, you can comment in this below video. Thank you once again.